All right, here we go. So basically, what's going on is, as you can see right below my big head, is a little video of me spinning this object that I created. These parts right here came from Harbor Freight, and it's a little clip video. It's going to be playing on repeat the whole time. So I got these from Harbor Freight, $7.99. These car mounts, each one holds 125 pounds. I mounted it to a cheese plate, and I took the inside of a tripod, solid tripod, aluminum, the inside pole, as you can see, and I mounted it to the cheese plate, and it's solid. All right. And I use this as a car mount. And I'm just gonna right here to the left. You see, I have my video. I mean, my YouTube channel, Film Process, and I was just gonna play the video that I created with it, and it's right here. And let me pause it right here. So I made some background note sound and everything. I color graded it. I did whatever I could do, but this is the mount. So the mount's going to keep on playing right there. I should have put a little title right here. Maybe I can add it. So I made that mount, Harbor Freight, and this is the little film I created with it. I mounted it to the side of the passenger door while I'm driving. The Taken lens on this, actually, I shot this with a Canon 5D Mark III. The Taken lens is an 85 millimeter. I should have had it out. 85 millimeter Rokinon 1.5 T-stop lens. All right, and I'll just let this play.
What is faith?
Well, Hebrews 11:1 said, now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen.
Yeah.
So that's what faith is.
And what's it for?
Well, you can't be saved without it. The Bible said, by grace are you saved through faith, that not of yourself is a gift of God. You can't live for God without faith, because the Bible said we live by faith. You can't walk the Christian walk without faith, because the Bible said we walk by faith, not by sight. You can't please God without faith, because the Bible said without faith it's impossible to please Him. Amen. And
That's fairly important.
there's one more.
Okay.
You can't grow and develop spiritually without faith, because Paul said right to the Thessalonians, your faith groweth exceedingly.
Is there a order of importance in the things that you just described?
Absolutely. Without faith, it's impossible to please Him. He that cometh unto God must believe that He is. You can't come to God any other way. Now, faith's important.
I forgot to do the sound effect of the door closing at the end, but I made this little quick test with that mount that you see on the screen. It held up pretty well. The shakings look good. It looks authentic. I should try to put my camera in here, but anyways, it was shot in a Canon 5D Mark III with Magic Lantern, so you can shoot it raw, and then I exported it out of the raw format with the MLV app. You guys know what that is. Some of you do, some of you don't. Into Cinema DNG files. And then you send those files into DaVinci, and you do the editing in DaVinci. And I'm not colorist. I can't, I'm not professional when it comes to that. But I listen and watch other people do it, and I do my best. And so I think it looks really good. You guys tell me what you think. Check it out if you want to. But this is the mount. I wanted to show the mount. So if anyone, I mean, look at these parts. You know, photographers will have it around the face plate, the plate, cheese plate, a tripod of some sort. But you have to go to Harbor Freight and get these mounts. Come on, those total weight can hold 250 pounds. So yeah, just wanted to show that mount. I did it with this right here. I let it play while I'm talking. I mute it. I made this little video with this car mount. It's mounted to the passenger side. So I plan on doing more of these, testing out the mount. I actually just changed the lens to a 90 millimeter lens. So it's a 90 millimeter lens that I'm going to be testing next with the camera, because I have an anamorphic adapter. Let me just get the camera real quick. So this is my camera rig. Now, you know what? People would say this is big and ridiculous, and you're like, right? And I would say, yeah, it looks kind of ridiculous, but it makes me think about like real. It makes me think about real cinema cameras and how big they are and what they shoot with. I know they're getting smaller and smaller, but this gives me the opportunity to shoot in cinema DNG on a full frame, so I get good ISO, good low light. It's great. This taking lens the f-stop is 2.5. It's a Tamron SP lens. And yeah, man, this thing is solid. You know, this is they say a cinema. They say it's an anamorphic adapter, but the adapter is from like a projector for movie theaters back in the 60s, 70s. It's inside this housing that you can get from like B&G, and then this on here. This is the like a focus adapter called a rangefinder. So yeah, this thing is no joke. It's pretty heavy. So yep. So I think that's going to conclude this video. Thanks for you that watched. Go check out the little. This is about a minute and 34 seconds. Go check it out. I'm going to try to shoot something every day. So hopefully I'll hopefully I'll end up uploading a video shot with the Magic Lantern, shot with the 5D Mark III tonight. So, all right, peace.